Hi. Did you know that getting kids to program from a very tender age actually increases their problem-solving skills? My name is Mbaji Titus, Head of Operations at STEM Professionals. At Innovative Summer, we utilize the summer holidays to go in-depth with our STEM education. Our coaches delve into the concepts of each learning track, engaging our students practically in a conducive environment. Hear what our parents have to say.
I am Mrs. Vera Kingston.
Hello everyone, my name is Onyema Etim.
My son, Okeshwo Kasachi Devan, he is a member of STEM Professionals Club. He is in robotics. I really appreciate the efforts and the thinking, the God that made it possible for STEM Professional Clubs to be established and for them to really impact their knowledge and ideas into these young lads to bring out their potentials.
I'm Joshua Etim's dad. I'm so delighted what I've seen my son do in robotics. Initially when he started, well, we had a teething problem of trying to fix the computer. So what I've seen him do is what I have been dreaming of for my kids, because I know the world today is being driven by ICT, robots and all that. So I want to thank the coaches. They were very patient with me.
Tracks available include robotics, electronics and IoT, coding, graphics design, animation and game development, app development, and drone technology. Training begins from the 1st of August through the 31st of August. Limited slots are available. You can visit to register your child today at www.stempros.com/summer.